How much do you think you'll earn if you go to work straight out of high school? $9 an hour? $12 an hour? Did you know the average manufacturing worker earned almost $29 an hour in 2020?
Local manufacturing is an important part of the Lehigh Valley economy. Manufacturing makes up nearly 18% of the Lehigh Valley's overall economic output, which is 38% higher than the national average of 13%. This year, SMS partnered with Easton's own innovative office products to show why a career in manufacturing might be right for you.
My name's Austin, been a machinist for 10 years, and I started manufacturing because I love the big stuff.
Hi, I'm Claudia Baker, and I'm a quality assurance technician.
My name is Marek Baranowski.
That's part of my job, is being able to go out in public and see the parts that I make.
I love what I do, and also I always strive to be better and make the best, and always ensure that our customers get the best quality possible on our product.
The biggest challenge about manufacturing is to use the best cost-effective method to produce a part, assemble it, get it to your customer. Also, during the process, you want to make sure that everything that you make meets or exceeds customer expectations.
Companies like eMediaWorks make manufacturing cool. Their ergonomically designed monitor arms, office furniture, and point-of-sale solutions serve customers worldwide. They also possess a strong employee-centered culture. eMediaWorks' efficient manufacturing process and creative teams allow them to deliver both standard and customized products to clients worldwide. The next time you look for a career, consider that Lehigh Valley manufacturers like eMediaWorks use local employees to make a global difference, and you could be part of that team.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.